Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you on understanding the landscape of tech space. A lot of people want to venture into tech, but one thing is that they are confused of where to start, where to go to. Now, first of all, before you venture into technology, you have to first understand the landscape. What do I mean by the landscape? Now, the different areas in tech. When you understand this, then you have to also pick your interests from this landscape and say, okay, this is what I want to do. This is what I don't want to do. This is what I want to do. If not, you keep rotating around without achieving any result. Now, when you come to the landscape of tech, we have a lot of areas in tech, talking about software development, talking about data science, talking about cybersecurity, UI UX design, cloud computing, and a lot of them, data analysis, a lot of them, right? A lot of them. But now your interest matters when it comes to these things. If not, you keep jumping from one place to another. That's the mistake some of us made when we are starting up. You want to learn software development, you want to be a data scientist, you want to be this, you want to be that, without having a guideline of actually what you are interested in, right? Now, first thing first, before you venture into this tech space, you have to have an interest. Okay, do I want to become a website developer? Do I want to become a software developer? Do I want to become a full stack developer? Do I want to become a data science? Now, when you check and balance some of these things, that's what will lead you to what you will learn, the language you will learn, the frameworks, and a lot of it. Now, it's not jumping from this to the other. Let me tell you a story. When I started up, I started with, first of all, learning that language. From learning that language, learning Flutter framework, I left it. I entered into UI UX design. After learning UI UX design, I entered into data science and all that. So I was just jumping from one place to another without having any guideline of what I want to do. You will learn Python language. From Python, you jump to JavaScript without any guideline. So as time goes on, I noticed that, okay, this is not the best way to go. You have to focus on one, which is I'm focusing on more on data science, and this what has led me to where I am today, right? Now I notice, okay, in data science is a very broad place to be, right? Now I started learning everything that concerns data science. I have to leave anything called that language, Flutter. I have to also leave everything that concern UI UX design. Now, these are very good fields, right? If you bring some of those things to me, it's also an added advantage to me. I can talk, about it. Now, being an IT manager, those things I've learned has also shaped me into trying to tell this person, okay, this is what to do, this is not what to do, right? But now, to make work easier for you, I will tell you for free that don't jump around. Don't jump around. If you want to be a website developer, go for it. You want to be a software developer, go for it. You want to be a full stack developer, go for it. Now, if you want to be a data scientist, go for it. But another thing I will tell you in this is this: if there is opportunity for you to learn, take the opportunity and learn, right? There is no crime in learning anything. But what am I trying to say? Understand your own area. Now, learning we are talking about learning the fundamentals, learning the fundamentals and understanding the landscape, right? Now, when you want to about the fundamentals, you are going into data science. You should understand that, okay, in data science, this is particular language that is meant for this particular thing, right? In this particular thing meant for this particular thing, right? Now, another thing is building practical skills. You don't keep coding. You just learning Python language, learning JavaScript without building any skills, right? Now, if you are learning, try to build projects. That's the mistake some of us make. You are learning how to do this, you are learning how to do that, but you are not building any practical project. When I started as a data scientist, right, I was busy using Google Colab and other things. I would just analyze, all these things. I will post it on my GitHub without, any deployments, without, putting it into practical use, right? At a point when you submit your CV, they want to see what this code, because some of the CV you are submitting, somebody that you submit it to may not even understand some of this code base, right? People want to see what you are coding. People want to see how far you go with this code. So they don't just want to see the code, right? So building practical projects is another thing that will help you out in this industry. Then creating strong portfolio, that will help you to create strong portfolio. But another thing is this: so many of us want to enter tech because of different reasons. Some because of money, you want to make money. Some you want to just build. Some because of passion. Now I will tell you for free. They will tell you that in tech space there are a lot of money. Very true, there are a lot of money, but you can't make money without being good in what you are doing. You have to first of all focus on being good, right? I will not say perfect, but to some extent, being good, having a very good portfolio. Now, that if someone looks at, those people want to hire you, right? If someone looks at it, the person wants to hire you. If a company looks at it, they want to hire you, right? Now, I will tell you for free, don't put money in front, because if you put money in front, you get discouraged. Money doesn't come like that. You have to keep working, building projects before money will start coming in. But if you put money in front, you get discouraged along the line, because for a truth, you may be in this industry for more than 5 years and you have not made 1 naira from it. That's just the truth. That's the simple truth. That's what they will not tell you. I'm in tech bro, tech sis, this and that. But for me to tell you the truth, you need to work hard. You need to be good in what you do. You need to solve problems, for that money to come in. Now, I will tell you, while you in the landscape, choose what that you are more interested in, that you are passionate about. If not, you give up along the way. So in the tech industry, try also to have a mentor that mentors. If not, you keep rotating around the cycle, because you don't really know the bearing. You don't really know where you are going to, right? So I will tell you for free, keep working, choose one particular thing, work on it, and also continue working on them, building portfolios, and keep trying. In those times you are trying, being consistent, being persistent in everything, I'm telling you, you reach there. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be talking a lot about some of these landscapes. For example, in software development, as time goes on, I will tell you, in software development, this is things to learn. In data science, this is things to learn. In UI/UX design, this is things to learn. Now, it makes it easier for you to also know the directions to follow. Now, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in next video. Bye.